Your prostate may be under stress right now. This is the difference daily habits make. The prostate controls urinary flow and quality of life. When it enlarges, pressure builds. That pressure wakes you up at night. Alcohol increases estrogen activity. That directly affects prostate size. Chronic stress releases cortisol. Cortisol lowers testosterone balance. Stress tightens pelvic muscles. Belly fat produces estrogen. Waist size matters more than age. Inflammation keeps the prostate swollen. Sleep is when repair happens. Deep sleep reduces inflammation. Less than 6 hours disrupts hormones.
Prostate changes happen slowly.
Early jets catch problems early.
Early detection saves lives.
Lifestyle choices matter most. Movement supports prostate comfort. Nutrition supports balance. Some men choose nutritional support. Support works over time. Always consult a healthcare professional. A healthy prostate feels different. Better nights return. Confidence follows health. Health supports intimacy.
Simple changes make impact. This is achievable. Resources are linked below. Talk to your doctor regularly. Subscribe for men's health education.
Protect your prostate daily. Thanks for watching.